Hello students, this is Mr. Haney, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to determine how two variables are related using the combined gas law. Whether the two variables are directly proportional and so they go up and down together, or they're inversely proportional and one goes up and the other comes down. One important thing to note on all these questions is that it tells us that all of the other variables besides the ones we're talking about are held constant. So that means that all I have to do is focus on how the two variables are related. So this first statement says, if the temperature increases, then the pressure blank, and we need to know whether it increases or decreases. So to do this, I just look at the combined gas law. And here I'm going to circle pressure and temperature. Those are the two things we're looking at. And I can see that they're on opposite sides of the line. Since they're on opposite sides of the line, that tells me that they're directly proportional. They go up and down together. So if the temperature increases, then the pressure will increase too. So if the temperature increases, then the pressure increases. And so because they're on opposite sides of the line, that means they go up and down together. And it really is that simple. So here in this example, we have if the pressure decreases, then the volume, and we need to figure out whether it increases or decreases. So I just look at pressure and volume, and so if the pressure decreases, then that means that the volume increases because they're on the same side of the line. Being on the same side of the line means that they're inversely proportional. So as one goes down, the other goes up. So the volume increases. So in this third example, it says if the number of moles decreases, then I have to figure out what happens to pressure. So I'm looking at pressure and number of moles. And so I see that they're on opposite sides of the line. So if they're on opposite sides of the line, that means that they go up and down together. So if the number of moles decreases, then the pressure decreases too. And in this final example, it says if the number of moles decreases, then the temperature, and I need to figure out what happens to temperature. So I have number of moles and temperature. They're on the same side of the line, so that means they're inversely related. So if the number of moles decreases, then that means that the temperature will increase. That it increases. So if I want to keep pressure and volume the same and I reduce the number of moles, then I would have to increase the temperature so that the pressure and volume would stay constant. So it really is as simple as just looking at is it on the same side of the line or different sides of the line, and then figuring out what the answer is. So I hope this video has been helpful. Keep up the great work, and I will see you next time.